Good morning, country people. This na TMC Radio, your number one Ogbonge radio station. We dey for Benin City. This na Ogbonge show where we dey bring come give now 3 times in a week where we dey take chook mouth for entertainment matter. We tanda here gidigba this morning to chook mouth on top our Ogbonge show wey be our entertainment talk. And I dey here this morning with my oga wey be our chief editor for T Life Media Communication. And we be TMC TV and TMC Radio. Oga, make you knack them your name.
My name still remain Eren Nusa.
Now, good morning. And I dey here too with my Oga, will be our sports editor. Make yourself knack our country people your name.
My name na Precious Nat Okwezi. My people for us na good morning. Muna just sit down with us.
This na TMC Radio. No forget, so you go fit follow us for Facebook for TMC TV, for YouTube for TMC TV, for Instagram for TMC._TV. This morning we don't tanda here on top entertainment talk. We won't talk on one matter, and the matter na say double dating na cheating or no be cheating. You know, go know say some kind person go say you dey follow two person as say na man you be, na wetin make you be man be that. Say if you tanda with just one woman, you know be man, na woman be that. And as you be woman too, if you tanda with one man, the man go take your eye see shege. Now this matter now we want chook mouth this morning, and I get them our guys here that I don't introduce them first. Then they here with me this morning. They don't ready gidigba to they follow chook mouth. My guys if I see be saying don't get plenty experience. He go help us touch light the matter well. And even my guy will be our sports editor too. Instead go get small experience. He never reach our guy own. Instead they run for back. Instead go soon beat the record of our guy. Now this matter now we want to take chook mouth this morning. Oga no sir. My question first. I go first give you. As you be saying now you be our guy pata for here. Make we start from the top. Double dating. First in its entirety. How you even see am? Say one person, either male or female, they follow two person at the same time. They do relationship matter.
Well, it depends on the relationship where people they talk about. And the one that they use a body talk say double dating. Me not understand that. Which one be double dating again? When you follow more than one person, that be double dating.
You they follow more than one person, they run relationship. This I love you relationship at a time. And you get two person where we say if one call drop, the other one when they enter, they tell them I love you, they give them OT.
Okay, well, with the little experience when I get, my parents where they train me, they make me understand, say, as you they grow, everything where you they do, when you they get plan A, you will they get plan B. And now two things, now matter they stand. I make out today, we get two lips, one day up, one day down. We get two nose, one day one corner, one day the other corner. We get two legs and we get two hands. We can't still get two eyes. When you trust to meet one eye, it don't blind. The other one will still they function. Abi? And I make a way you get 4 legs for motor. They will say make sure that you don't travel without spare tire. So the double dating, if it dey in line with waiting I dey talk about so, well, depends on individual. Some girls they will be say they get reason why they feel follow two men. They feel follow the young one, follow the advanced one, on a packaging. Yes. Don't be laughing matter.
You say advance. If this advance, I know to get them now in education, in age, or which matter? Because me, I believe say man na man.
I say na two things. When you follow one advanced person, when he get this ogre, then the young one when they come, you put out. So the advanced person are for packaging, to stand gidigba and to balance. And you know say some boys still they go understand say you they follow the one way pass them.
Make you collect.
They go pipe low small. They not too shout. Now then you see the ones who don't get sense. Any small thing you go put you bring money mete woman no way. Make a follow go mete me. You they shout up and down. If they drop you, you say na heartbreak. So now two different things. Depends on the people they manage them. Now what did I know with that?
Thank you, Ogano sir. Oganat, I don't come your table. Double dating are cheating or no be cheating. Make man or woman they follow two person at the same time. Now bad thing or na good thing.
According to us, you talk double dating. Once you don't date more than one person, or you man say na cheating, you don't cheat. Even the Holy Bible say God na jealous God. Say may you not worship any other God except God. So now make they say if you dey serve God, you can't get another thing when you dey serve. You know they serve God. So if you dey relationship now, you can't get as my oga talk am spare tire. You don't need a cheat. Nobody will they speak English for. Nobody will they paint. Just the way they say sin na sin, cheating na cheating. Whether you get one young one, you get one vibrant and one old one, you get one where they supply your needs according to your own riches, and the one where they do one na dissenting, na cheating. So nobody waiting with the beat around the bush.
I feel disagree for that area.
Nobody with the beat around the bush for
Because for that area.
So Oga Nat, you now your stand be say e no good.
No, it's not good at all. It's not good for Aina.
Because if I go understand Oga Nusa well, he say he gets his own advantage. So he no 2 day against them. Abi Oga Nusa, if I know correct.
Frankly speaking, waiting be double dating in the first place.
You get more than one person when
they follow the relationship.
Good. You dey do relationship. You and your family not get. Who you dey follow do a relationship, he and the family not get. The one when he gets, they run after you. And your parents, they ask you, say, you dey crazy, you blind, you know they see. I don't know what to know. For this kind of situation, this kind of country, with the way things they be so, you dey tell me, say, now to come tie yourself with one man, when you know even they see prospect for a front. What is double dating and what you want to be cheating? Make a tell me, make a define cheating matter too now. So my own understanding.
Yes, sir.
You see, when you dey relationship, you constantly carry another man, take am serious the way you take A, you don't dey take B the same level. I go understand say that one be cheating, because you dey fall love for two persons, you dey share love equal 50-50. That is cheating. That is double dating. Not be when something hungry you not see the person to give you the food chop. Okay, make you quick package them in a way before that one come from the long journey, maybe days Zamfara. Before you from Borno reach Edo, it they take long time. And money not there for you to even come Benin. Then you see what thing go help you quick take care of that level. You say not double dating. You only satisfy your order and your conscience. At that period, you not double date anything. Because unavailability not there available. So you go quick take care of what thing go suit your mind. Another thing I go let you understand be say, this relationship where people they talk about, so many persons they practice them. Now only this Benin. Now see say young boy could just use relationship, remove the girl entire life, both the girl name, if family they remove her for 7-8 years. You say that they date for 7 years. That they date for 8 years. Okay, tell me what you now want to go do for marriage. For this Benin. And if you come up for this Benin, say make you reach east, say maybe Anambra or Enugu or Imo State, you know, spend reach 1 year. Person don't put money for you, don't marry you. People don't know whether they do dating for a very long time. Now business and marriage. Now this Benin, they see say Benin boy go your date girl. You will say for 9 years we'll be together. Now pride. Are you getting me? So all those relationship where be say, know they bring anything tomorrow. So guys don't know what they call heartbreak. When you date too emotional, you say na heartbreak. They know they feel eat. Because who see food not feel eat? Now you know what they worry. Some go begin they lament, they meet friends, they meet people, they take advice from people. Say nah, somebody broke my heart. And you they go church. Maybe now one of these churches. Now you they go. And you they go listen to the word of God every Sunday. Maybe weekly days you still they go. You go still call house. Come put one boy a matter for mind. Take and enjoy yourself. And you go see somebody where be say get prospect, life better. He even get and he go school well. Maybe one thing, you know, find reach the boy where they die for. You say maybe I don't want to cheat on my boyfriend. Then you they suffer, they go, things they get as it be. So the angle of double dating and cheating, where you never marry. I know they follow people to talk am. Now when you don't marry, I go, yes, say, okay, you don't marry. You're not supposed to begin to look another man or follow another man. Now that one with the year. Not be say you never marry, they practice how life won't be. All na practice. You dey go school na practice. You dey meet friends na practice. You dey date person na practice. Now to lead you to reach the final stage where you not go do them again.
Oga Nusa, thank you for that contribution. Oga Nat, you say double dating no good. Oga Nusa, I still dey come back. I still get some kind of question where I go need ask you, make you for clear us where on top this double dating matter. But Oga Nat, you say double dating no good. You fit help us throw light more why you think say e no good, because oga Nosana don talk why im be say double dating no be cheating.
Okay, make I quick bring this point come out. If you no know the reason why you enter inside relationship, oyibo man say when do you no know the purpose of a thing, abuse
Is inevitable.
inevitable. Like as this mic dey now, if you no know the purpose, we fit go down the sweep ground, and that one no be the purpose of the mic.
Wetin dem do
Now
for be
if
that?
you no know the purpose of relationship, you no suppose enter relationship. You dey go relationship go generate money, or you dey go relationship because say you wan build the future together. Because to every marriage, when they marry, na true relationship na lead to the marriage. And another aspect, now if you dey double date, you dey cheat, or you cause you wan get 2, 3, 4, 5 boyfriend, the person no go dey inevitable for wetin oyibo man dey call STD. That na still another point you go look at. And if you never fit still know who give am. Now one of the reasons why people dey double date or dey cheat anyhow, because they don change relationship to olidara. If I need 50,000, so if I just build 4 of them, gbag, e go come. And that one no be the purpose of relationship. So you no get how you want to justify am. If you when you say you dey cheat, if your partner dey cheat, you go like am. Na that one you fit ask yourself. So you no get how you want to burn am, how you want to wear, how you want to wear. That make if they give you form fee, they go ask you married or what, single. They know the right multi-relationship. You no dey any form now. Whether you dey married or you dey single.
Ogana, thank you.
Now, and number 2, now make God create everything 1 to 1, man and woman. You see, so 1 man, 1 woman. That's what it's supposed to be.
So people go still follow you argue that matter of 1 man, 1 woman, but no be there we dey go today. Ogano, sir, you say double dating no be cheating. Say na cheating na only for marriage e dey. But remember say once character don dey person, e no dey easy to comot. Ogano, so how you wan take justify your own stand with this relationship? Say you dey double date no be cheating.
A big grammar na you dey knack so. Because any church when he will tell you about relationship, make you dey practice am. Wey be say chook no go take place. You get as e be. Let me tell you something. You see, some people believe say, you know, now recently when they carry relationship, now go introduce them for church. They make cocoa for inside the relationship. Now not they carry and go church. You just bring church matter come inside. I want to correct you properly. You will go tell pastor, or what they call the woman will be pastor for church. How they call her? Mama.
Pastor.
A pastor, mama. You go tell her, say, your girlfriend, 2 of una lie down. Una they do something. You know they smart the way they smart before. You tell that one for church. Because church know they support all those things, Abi?
Yes.
Their own amount can't tell them the paperwork, dating, how they visit and say with Bible, preach the Bible, all those things. Let me tell you the truth of the matter. Let's not pretend over it.
Exactly.
As you there, you be fine girl. You don't waka even before you see work for this company. You want to tell me say boy never break your heart, or you never break boy heart? You know the truth of the matter. Now every relationship they introduce to your family.
I know.
What are we saying? Now every relationship you can go your church.
No, it go.
Good.
Oga where go reach first.
Thank you. You see, this whole thing, we just can't turn out to business market. Are you getting me? Some people can't carry the thing. Wait, what is relationship? What is double dating? Which one be say the person break my heart? Which heart you get? Now liver you get, but now kidney you get? The truth of the matter, there are certain things you need to do when it has to call the Oyibo relationship. We know they practice those things at all. Oyibo they use flower till they do relationship. Oyibo they use gifts till they do relationship. We they use our own, they do relationship whereby transfer money to me. If you don't transfer money to me, I know they call your house again. And that will be relationship. I tell you, say I want to buy hair. Oyibo hair, you want to buy them for your head. Now that will be relationship. Let me tell you something. Dating 2 girlfriends. If you go market, you want to buy fish. As you enter market, you want to buy fish. The line where they sell fish, you go price them. The person will tell you, say, 200 naira. You pass the way big pass this one way fine pass am for 150. You dey look for 100 naira on they go, you come me 200. You return back to that 150 on. Yes or no? So if you not reach 2-3 shade, you don't go know the best way you want buy. For me, as a man, as a guy, I'll come stick with one Yoruba girl we come from Kogi State when I don't know anything about. I'll come say they build relationship. Which relationship I they build? What I want build? Now house? I dey maintain relationship. It is she be my, how do they call and say, she go be my wife material. After I don't use my own time to reduce her lifespan. Nothing about her again. I don't suck and finish for 7 years. Then I dey think of another one. And secondly, I dey date you. Your character not good. I still dey manage you. You expect me to just die there? Now me want to pay your character in future. I could look for somebody else. They manage for corner.
Oga, sir, you not think say at that point you supposed leave am. Say okay, to be like say where we reach so.
Excuse me, you know it's a relationship, but when you tell the girl say I'm done, you tell you say you are not done. When you tell girl say I don't tire, because someday if you not tell her the truth, if you tell her say if like say this relationship not go anywhere, the girl go to convince you say no, I will change. Now they delay relationship, and as at that time, nothing like relationship again. You guys are just be fond of each other, not be love. Because when you get fond of each other too much, you begin to create emotion. When you begin to create emotion, you not get used to that person. To leave that person or avoid that person or do without that person becomes a problem. Now they say, he tried to break my heart. What is breaking of heart? So, dating two girls, if you not get them 2, 3, you not gonna know the best among all. If you say I like, argue with me already.
No, this one no be argument. Now, may I quickly give her one point, make you know. You know that they like one point.
Make you help me choose man for the matter.
Make you one point.
As you they give am the points to make you they help me shed light, make you they help me touch light and where. What do you say cause this double dating? Because it be like say Oga no start support and where.
What did they cause this double dating? Number 1 are poverty. Number 2 are hungry.
But you notice in a mentality.
What of no. What of personal characters?
Mm-hmm.
Personal character.
What of your mentality? What of your attitude?
Now, see where the mentality.
My brother, let me tell you something. You go toast some girls today. They go wear decent looking. After like 1 month, you'll see some Ogbanje character, some which character in them. They will bring and come out. Another thing be this. Not be all of us will be guys. Not be all of us complete man. Because we not good from our own end. You not expect, you are not making move to make things change. You are not changing the narrative from the old order to new order. You are not rebranding and refurbishing that girl to become a new person. You are not showing her a good direction. You are not teaching her how prospect be, how future be, how she want to focus, how she want to become human being for life. You dey tie am down say because the girl take you serious. Then you tie and die, you not let her see another person. And better person did that place. Is that not wickedness from your own end?
I tell you wickedness.
My stand still be say, when you don't reach that point where you see say, we no go fit go on this journey.
Una share the gary.
I tell you, you don't hear the question when I ask just now. It get love when go this on guest head. You tell her say, the way things are going, I don't think this thing will land or end well. It go they tell you say, don't worry. I will change.
You as the man, you take your stand. Because all this aspect of getting more than...
So girls never cry for your shoulder?
No, they never cry.
They never put tears on your body?
No, they never cry.
Oh. If they put on your body, you go clean them now.
You go clean them, towel day. Now, one of the major things now, where from a perspective when they come from, say, you fit get spare. Now they lead so many of our sisters when they don't change the word from a relationship. You know, they don't change it. They can't get different name. They call they get friends with benefit. Bestie yes. Syndrome.
Yes.
Friend with benefit. Give me this one, I will give you in return. And you know that this one don't abuse our society.
Yes.
So we need to correct them. Waiting no good for I, no good for us.
Excuse me.
You don't get the way one take penta.
Moderator, to correct something, now to see the beginning of something. You not fit jump into something, say you want to change something or correct thing.
When you don't know it,
are you getting me? I softly they date my girlfriend. We date since. And they tell her, say, if I never buy motor, I no go do introduction. I know they work towards to buy the motor. I say, I don't feel they say, I don't marry you with a trek, they go church, trek, come back, they enter bus. I want buy motor first. And this one what they talk. So 4 years don't come out for the girl body. You know, say women they quickly hold. 4 years don't come out. May you not say friends, they will go the advice and say, hey, this is your worker. Just say go land well. Don't see, not look and say people not the way they talk to the girl. Or not even think, say the girl, no, they think whether life go better am or not. And they use my own, they drag them down. And they use my own till they affect her. And they use my own till they draw our own life down. And they use the relationship, remove 7 years. So tell the girl, no, they know her name again. And you expect to make the girl see another person tomorrow. You know, go follow. What I'm saying, if me they do well, and I get better work, and the girl see and say, tomorrow go better, and the girl they do well, tomorrow better, what it concern me concern on that guy? Or what it concern on that guy? But when things are not working well, it becomes a problem. Then you say, me she did there, or maybe the guy did there, when you say the girl, mama, not be better woman. Then you say, me the guy wait, he go look for another girl first.
Then on
that relationship day, if you never see another girl, to leave the old one they had though. If you never see another one, say make you leave old one, go they look for another one. You they keep on first though. Then they reach that double dating where they say double dating.
Double dating don't come inside.
Double dating must exist.
But not for everybody they exist.
Now
for.
Christian we don't know anything, girl we don't know anything. Now they say I stick with one man. Let me tell you something, my brother. Waiting go better, and waiting go good. My life since I did play, they call my life. I feel tell you say before I reach this level, now only 2 years I don't date for my life. And you don't look me.
Original one I be
spare. Now we for office know what to be spare.
Make we just use that spare take cover.
No, as I they tell you about me now, you don't go believe now. No. Only since they born me I go university come today. Now only 2 persons now I don't date for my life. The first one. Listen. The first one, the mother, now Yoruba girl, the mama say he no agree. Make person like me marry the daughter. They cannot come out. Now the second one, now they are end up till this very date. So our time, now time where we say that they get many, they are different from all my friends that time.
But you get spare.
I not do spare.
Okay.
I not do. Now they worry me and say, I wish I practiced double dating that time. I for still they do and they go now.
And it go come begin to affect you. Oh.
If I call it affect me today. But if I have one way, no go affect me. Because I behave like person who no open eye. Say I can't be like Mugu. That maybe they support double dating. Say, I wish one they come, one they go, one they come, one they go, and I practice them. My life will not be like this today.
But Ogano said that one they come, one they go. So no be still double dating. Now when one come out, now another one.
I say one they come out from my house, another one they enter his house. I don't say one come out from my life.
Ogano sir, I get your point. And I know say you get your own point too. You did right in your own way. But you see this double dating matter. Now from there now they start. Now we can begin to hear extramarital affairs today. Now you go come here say why begin to shout say my husband they carry this one. My husband they carry this one.
I cook food, they not chop.
Now small they take start.
So another thing I'll let you understand now. Another definition for double dating, make I tell you. The guy where you put for head, where you they date, you not get anything. The guy where they say you take serious, you not get anything. Bad, you know the fee buy. You not get what the fee buy, and you take him serious. Because when I see some young girls take one guy serious, and they imagine waiting reach that level. Because majority of them know they succeed for tomorrow. You take them serious. Then, this guy know the fee supply anything. You service can carry and come up for the state where you did. Can carry and go Taraba. The guy can see small work they do there. They pay 35,000 naira. The truth of the matter. You dey either Lagos or Edo or anywhere. On a day far from each other. One young guy they come around. You know they pursue his PhD. Now some guy will be say the parents build prospect for him. You know they take care of you. They ask you, they tell you, say, he no one date you. He no say he get a relationship. Go buy with your boyfriend, no go ever feel buy for himself. They take care of you wella. He even reach the level that they will ask you when you go follow and make him go get you one small Corolla, make you drive. No, I just they make you understand and say, with all these things, where this person they talk about so, and the guy love you more than the way you they see him. And they come around your office, they come sit down with you every day. Your boyfriend there for Taraba. He don't even see work for old Gongola. You know, they fit come until he gather money before they come Benin to come visit you. There are so many things where they turn woman mind.
Then you end that relationship.
No, listen. see, listen. He sent a message go Gongola say before he come back, I go in the relationship.
But Oga no,
Listen,
sir.
no, you be girl, you be lady. I dey just dey make you understand and say you can't see things, you can't see guy. You and your boyfriend not quarrel before you travel, and things not dey well for your boyfriend wherever he dey, and you can't see another young guy. He dey even don run the 2 masters. You dey pursue one, you never fit catch am. He dey run the PhD ahead now, and they live well, and they work for most of these like these multinational companies, and they live well. And a young girl of about 29, 30, you see prospect for this guy body, and if they buy you things, they take care of you. They even ask for your parents how you go take care of them. Wait for that, you want to wait for the one they receive at 5,000 and never comes in over one year after you service. The truth not say me they not talk. May I tell you?
Na true, Oga no, sir. The truth no say me they no talk.
And
But
then,
where you
I
dey?
could understand say double dating. Now something they reach there, and when the thing come, arrest them.
Na true, but where you dey carry this matter go now? You dey try tell us now say relationship don become wetin oyibo people dey call poverty alleviation program.
He talk just now. If I talk, I may be correct that area because see,
Relationship no suppose be for money. Say
for this Nigeria, okay, now for flower.
na so e suppose. No,
No, now for flower.
Oga no, sir. You
No,
know,
now I don't dey argue with you. Relationship,
not be even for flower.
relationship
Not be
without
even for flower.
relationship without finance. Listen,
I no dey underestimate wetin money dey do for relationship. Pogiri abi. I no dey underestimate wetin pogiri fit do for person life. No be even for generally sef. Even if you no get money, you no go like your life.
The life no go sweet you.
Anytime wey e be like say you dey broke, how e dey be for your body?
well,
That one na general thing. But make you come use relationship now as a source of income. The girl sef dey tie her hand make she say no go hustle for money.
yeah, you see example when I make. I say you dey work, your salary na around 43,000 naira after you remove transportation, and your boyfriend dey receive 35, and he dey far from you, dey Taraba State, Old Gongola, he dey far from you. Then you dey Lagos. Before he dey come home, since when he comot over 1 year after service, he never come. Na relationship una dey build o. And this time around, because of the space, somebody dey visit you every day. Somebody dey come your shade or where you dey work, and where you dey receive 45 after transportation, you go get 42,000 naira. Now that kind of relationship now they build you with the distance man. You talk one thing, you also say you go drop the relationship. But now
You
this
go follow the
society,
one wey you
now this
feel say-
society, now since a poverty they make young girls ignorant that they swear blood. They say they take oath. If you follow another man or you follow another woman, this society, your parents, their house, they don't know as you waka. Now this society, now they happen. So you see, my advice to most of the youth, and in fact, the boys and girls, they be youth. You see, when you never ready to stand relationship, don't write it on top of your forehead. Say, I'm in a relationship. You toast on girls. How are you? You say, please, I'm in a relationship. Hunger won't kill you. I don't double date. I don't want to date anybody. But now you see the same message to person say, I am broke. Can you load me data? You did relationship, they say you are broke.
No, na friends now.
No, listen. You did relationship, you dey write to me say your house rent they expire by May. Then I go ask you say ask your boyfriend say no may I forget and say he not to get.
Oga no, sir. I be your sister. For example, I can't dey relationship.
Yes.
I can't call you say, uncle, my house rent don dey expire. The first word wey you go tell me na my boyfriend.
I go ask you question. Listen. Now you tell me, now you be my sister, now you introduce your boyfriend to me. So tell me when did they carry woman, me know they take care of my own. And they wait me to get bring money for me.
That one na your wife.
No, listen. As I dey spend for my girlfriend, I expect you suppose they spend for mama for us now. Because my girlfriend they take go give you mama. Make you still collect from another man, give your mama. Na balance situation, why they train you?
Na true say na balance situation why they train me, and na why me sef still dey hustle why I never get time be that. We don carry this matter now comot for double dating, but we dey try establish wetin dey cause this double dating. My stand still be say this poverty mentality, because na mentality I go call am. If you comot go hustle well, God go bless the work of your hand, and the small wey you dey get make you sef try dey
For
manage
this
am.
country, may I tell you another
And
thing?
another thing wey dey
Listen,
cause this double dating na I don't know which English I want to speak about. Make I explain am. Na oyibo man go say the love of material things.
Na still poverty mentality.
The
Because
love.
if you get your own money and you believe say you go fit also get your own money, you no need to dey depend or to dey come hook for one girl or one boy neck make him give you money. Na here na we go take match break for this story. I know say oga no still get plenty talk wey we wan take talk on top this relationship matter. Make una no worry, una join us again for this same program. As I take talk am na 3 times in a week, na we dey take do am. You go get the complete full package on top the story. We go still touchlight the matter wey dey cause this double dating and the kind solution wey we go fit get for them. Oga no say make you greet country people, make you advise our youth, no advise them say make dem dey double date. But you fit advise them, na your opinion sha, and Oga Nat too go help us advise our youth and our relationship people. Make we take match break for
wetin I
you.
go tell our youth be say go face wetin go give you life for future. Only the advice I get for our youth.
I go give advice to all the male, all the boys, or the male entity. Pay make money before you look for relationship.
Money dey very important for relationship, even for life. That one dey important. And as for the girls too, me I go stand for them. I beg, make you sef use your hand, make you take do something so that God go fit bless am. No talk say na one boy or na one man for somewhere. Now you go dey put all your financial need on top. If e easy like that, you sef you suppose fit provide for yourself. Now here now we go take end up. My name still remains Taiwo Ayeni.
I go join you to end this program because you go remember say later today we go bring some ogbonge person come this studio whether they call them more Osifo. We go begin talk how INEC take conduct election, how the people where they take do adult stuff from university, how they take took their legs inside the matter, how they do reach, how they take do everything where be say election either I get leg or I go tiriri iwerere. My name still remain Ege Nusa.